Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are sending our 5-ton-power pellet production line to India. Behind me, I'm going to introduce our electric control panel to you. As you can see, those electric panel are for different machines. This panel is for our rotary crusher. These 3 machines are for pellet machines, and this machine is for hammer mill. For our electric panel, they are a kind of a mechanical electric panel. It's the most stable operation type panel. As you can see, all these electric panels, we have an frequency control speed device, so you can control the feeding speed of the conveyors to the mill machine. And you also can see that this ampere meter is a digital type one, so you can very easy to read the parameters over here. And all these mechanical buttons, they are anti-dust type of button. And over here you can see this button is a kind of a manual and automatic condition. When you do the automatic condition, our electric panel has this function that when the machine overload condition, the feeding conveyors will be automatic stop. And after the working load drop to a normal working condition, the belt conveyors will automatically start working. And over here it also has an emergency stop. This electric panel, we all use very good quality electric components. The top brand changed in China, and also this is the frequency device, and all these components change brand. And we also have a soft start system for the rotary crusher, pellet machine, hammer mill, and this soft start system will protect your electric transformer. Okay, everyone, if you like Longze brand products, please send your inquiry to our team. That's all for today's introduction about our electric panel. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.